All right. Well, this is day one or part one of my video log of my trip to Washington. The last view of Kentucky is not the prettiest one out here this morning. It's really foggy and cold and wet. There are puddles all in the driveway. I do not own the rights to this music, nor any of the rest of the music in this video. This is my homie Echo Sykes. Y'all go check him out, featuring Jelly Roll. Next update will be at the airport. I will see y'all soon.
Your landing, you're also available for purchase or with allergies to fun. If injected beverage menu is feedback powder, no discount beverage menu in flight entertainment world. Element of 4 entry door has been closed. The cellular functions of your small portable electronic device can be turned off. So what's with all the circles? There's a lot of circles in Denver. What the fuck? Arriving in Denver International. Lots of snow outside. Lots of people at this airport.
gonna go find a place to visit the trees. Also, there's supposed to be some Armageddon painting here somewhere. My brother's got me on the hunt for it, so maybe we can find that too. See you guys soon. Yo, what's up everybody? The last load in before my plane just left, going to Indianapolis. So my check-in is good. I'm like the only person here ready for this flight. This airport, man, I don't know if you guys have been to Denver Airport, but it's big. It's long. It goes forever. There is no smoking. You got to get on a train that takes you 10 minutes away from here, and through security, you got to leave the airport to go smoke, and you got to go back through security. So don't plan on doing any smoking when you're on this trip, or just go vape in the bathroom like all the employees have been telling me to do. It's been a fun trip so far, man. Leave in about an hour and a half. I have explored all of the Denver International bathrooms. It's been a pretty fun trip, man. There's a bartender here in one of these restaurants has been a bartender in this restaurant in this airport for 18 years. And dude, he's really good. I wish I could remember his name. I don't even remember the name of the restaurant, but this place is wild, man. If you're in Denver and you don't come to the airport on purpose, just come to the airport and check it out. It's wild, man.